education project, Effective Use of Electricity. Our project is entitled Smart Home Automation with Voice Activation of Electricity. This project is a system used in controlling appliances by a touch of a button on your smartphone or voice commands such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This aims to reduce the waste of electrical power among domestic, commercial and industrial consumers. Often than not, electrical bulbs in our homes are left on, consuming power during the daytime, especially on weekends when most industries are not open. To work or individual household normally leave their bulbs, appliances such as air conditioning, refrigerators, TVs, fans on. This effect can cause the reduction of the lifespan of the appliances, unexpected cost to the consumer, maintenance, production and distribution of power. With this system, you can control or monitor your household industry from any comfortable zone with using your mobile phone or Amazon Alexa. Let's come to the board. This is our control board used for controlling electrical appliances or gadgets. These are electrical appliances, and this is our main switch breaker by which the power coming from the meter which passes through to the control board. This is our lamp. We have a lamp here, a switch for it, a lamp and another lamp. This is a socket by which you can use to control any appliances such as TV, air conditioners and washing machines. This is another socket and another socket too. This is our energy meter used for monitoring the power consumption in the household. This is our fire sensor or a flame detector which detects any flame or fire outbreak in the environment. This is a temperature sensor used for monitoring the temperature and the humidity within the environment. This is a gas sensor used for detecting any gas leakage in the household. This is also a fire alarm which triggers the buzzer and sends notifications to your mobile devices when there is any fire outbreak or detection. This is a solenoid door lock used for operating our doors when we are around. Let's take a quick view of the board, the control board. This is our ESP32 microcontroller. This is our main switch 30 amperes relay. These are other loads relays which will control the appliances on the panel. This is our power supply unit. These are the sensors and the connections. When the signal is passed through the mobile phone, it's then transferred wirelessly to the microcontroller. Then the microcontroller now sends signals to the relay modules. When the relay modules receive the signal, it triggers the appliances to go on or off. And when the signals too are received from the sensors, the digital sensors, it passes the signal through the ESP32 to your mobile phone. So we can start by which the power is transferred to the breaker. From the breaker, I'll turn the breaker on. So this is our microcontroller. Our microcontroller now sends signals to the relay modules, by which the relay module controls. These are the connections to from the sensors to the microcontroller. The sensors send signals received from the environment to the microcontroller. Then the microcontroller now processes and sends it to your mobile phone. Our appliances is linked to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller is linked to the mobile application by internet connection. The internet connection is the main source by which the data is transferred. The data is transferred through the internet connection and passes through the wireless network to the microcontroller. The cardio app is linked to the microcontroller by connecting the ESP microcontroller to. You can control your lamps that you have on the panel on your mobile phone by just tapping a button in this way, and you can also turn it off by also tapping a button. So we have a socket and another socket and another socket. You can also connect these sockets to maybe your TV or refrigerator. You can also connect this one to maybe your fan, any appliances that run. But you can also turn on those sockets on your mobile phone by just tapping a button. So you can see that this socket that I tap is on. And you can also control the other socket you have on your mobile phone by tapping another button. So I connected this also the gas sensor socket. So this gas sensor is a specific gas sensor which is used for detecting liquid petroleum gas or smoke or any other petroleum gases. These gases works in the range of 3000 ppm to 10,000 ppm. It detects that concentration because if there should be any kitchen gas leakage, a little bit kitchen gas leakage, it has a specific concentration. So it works within the range of 3000 ppm to 10,000 ppm. So for instance, if the gas sensor is to detect any gas or smoke, it will trigger the buzzer and also give notification on your mobile phone for you to maybe turn off all the electrical gadgets and also open the door lock for anybody in the neighborhood to come and try to turn it off for you. You can also control your appliances using voice command by holding the voice button and assigning it to a command. So for instance, I'll hold the voice button on the phone and mention the command that I want to use to operate the lamp. T. And if I want to turn it off, I can also use another command by turning it off. Turn on my lamp, so I'll just hold it and say. In case there is an emergency like fire outbreak, you can cut off the main power supply from your control board and your appliances by pressing a button on your phone. It can turn off all the appliances and your power supply too, so that your house can be in safe condition. In conclusion, the smart home automation with voice control system is useful and a convenient way to control household, institution, and industrial appliances by both able and physically challenged